Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the light level display. So let us see the components required. We need an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a 7-segment display, two 1 kilo ohm resistor and an LDR module. So a light level display is a sensor based project that measures the brightness of the surroundings using an LDR module and display the light level using the 7-segment display or the serial monitor. The LDR module changes its resistance according to the amount of light falling on it, and the Arduino reads this change to determine whether the environment is bright, dim or dark. So let us make the project now. First of all, we will place the LDR module on the breadboard. Then we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect to one of the terminals of the LDR and the other terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. LDR module doesn't have any polarity, it don't have any positive or negative, so you can connect the resistor to any one of the terminal. Then you take a wire and connect its other terminal to the 5V pin of the Arduino. Then you take one more wire and connect the terminal to which the resistor is connected. So connect that wire to the LDR terminal to which the resistor is connected and the other terminal to the A0 pin. So the LDR part is done. Now we will connect the 7-segment display. So this is the 7-segment display. As we know earlier, it has 10 pins. 2 are the common pins that we need to connect to the ground and the others are the segment pins. So we will place the 7-segment display on the breadboard. Always connect the 7-segment display in the middle of the breadboard. Then we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect its middle pin, that is the common pin, to the negative rail. We have to connect it within this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can connect it. Okay. So we make the common negative rail and then we will take a wire and connect this rail to the ground of the Arduino. So now we will do the 7-segment connections. So we will connect pin A to the pin 4 of the Arduino. Then pin B to pin 5 of the Arduino. Pin C to pin 6 of the Arduino. Pin D to pin 7 of the Arduino. We have to connect pin E to pin 8. Pin F to pin 9 and pin G to pin 10. So this is all about the connections. So our connection is completed. Now we will upload the code. So now we will discuss the code. So here first we have created the variables for the 7-segment display pins connected to the Arduino board. Then we have created a variable named LDR for the sensor pin connected to A0. Now inside the void setup we have declared all the 7-segment display pin as output and the LDR pin as input. And then we have given serial.begin 9600 to initialize the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Now, inside the void loop, we are going to store the value of the sensor pin in the variable count. So for that we have written in count equal to analog read LDR. The analog read function will read the value from the sensor pin A0. Now we have written count equal to map count 0, 1023, 0, 9. So this line is written to map the value of the sensor whose range is between 0 to 1023 to the range of value 0 to 9. We are doing this so that we can show the level of increase of the sensor of the brightness on the 7-segment display. So as the brightness will increase, the voltage value will increase and the value on the 7-segment display will also increase. And then we have used the serial print function to display the count value, the mapped count value on the serial monitor. Now when there is no light, the value will be 0. And here we have done the coding to display the 0 on the 7-segment display. Similarly, if count is equal to 1, then to display the value 1 on the 7-segment display, we have done this part of the coding. So the remaining part we have just done the coding for the 7-segment display for different numerical value like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then here we have given a delay of 500 so that there doesn't happen any fluctuations. So once your code is done, you click on Tools, select the board as Arduino Uno, select the port as whatever it is showing, and then click on the upload function. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino Uno board. Hello everyone, now we will show you the output. So when the LDR is not having any light falling on it, the 7-segment display is showing value 0. As we will allow light to fall on it, this value will start increasing. You can see as the brightness increases, the value of the 7-segment display also increases. Thank you.